A simple way to draw the ear is to construct it with shapes and letter forms. Start with half a heart to measure the ear, then convert it to a question mark rhythm. Fill that with a lowercase y, add the step notches of the tubercle, then shade the forms. Drawing the front of the ear is similar, but narrower and more overlap with the shapes or the volumes. From any angle, build the ear with the same big to small, outside to inside approach. The middle third, or the concha, is a deeper hole, and I'm shorthanding that by shading it in. For the back of the ear, start with a circle that connects the ear to the skull. Overlap that with the infinity sign. This is the helix from the back. Add the cartilage and shade.